Hi everybody, I would like to share a birthday card I made. It measures 5.5 by 5.5. It is a never-ending card. I followed a tutorial from Scrapbook Blessings Club. I will link below. All the materials I bought at Michael's. The base cardstock is this Recollections Craft cardstock from the 8.5 by 11 paper pack. The rest of the paper I got from the single sheets. I put this donut paper on the top and the bottom. It's this paper. It has foil and it has these very cute donuts on it. The blue paper here is a basil cardstock called Tropical. It has some textured lines on it. These stickers are from this Sticko sticker sheet. This is the card front. Now it opens like this. I have the same blue paper here where I will write a message. These cupcakes are from a Sticko sheet. This is an acetate sheet with words in gold. I glued it on the edge with art glitter glue. Next, the card opens like this. I have some more cupcake stickers in the top and in the bottom, and now we see the whole part where the panels are with the words. So next, the card opens like this. I have the craft and gold paper, this polka dot paper, and some more of the birthday stickers. Finally, the card opens up again to the front, and the card will continue opening like this. And that is why it is a never-ending card, and it's a lot of fun. And I like how this card turned out. I created this envelope for it. It is an envelope with a 1/8 of an inch gusset. I used the craft cardstock and I used the same papers to decorate it. It opens and closes with a magnet. And then I will put the card inside. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.